Welcome to Trend Sassy Laser and Med Spa, where advanced skincare meets personalized care. Our state-of-the-art medical spa in Mississauga offers a range of treatments designed to rejuvenate, tighten, and transform your skin. From our signature Hydrofacial MD to advanced photona laser therapies, microneedling, and Morpheus 8. At Trend Sassy, every treatment is tailored to your unique needs. We also offer PRP and injectables like Botox. Our expert team is dedicated to delivering visible results and exceptional care. Just listen to what our clients have to say about their transformative experiences. Our friendly, knowledgeable estheticians create a welcoming environment where innovation and luxury meet. With glowing reviews from our satisfied clients, we're committed to making you look and feel your best. Unlock the secret to radiant, youthful skin with Trend Sassy Laser and Med Spa. Join our community of satisfied clients. Book your consultation today and experience the Trend Sassy difference for yourself. To start your journey towards radiant, youthful skin, reach out to us at Trend Sassy Laser and Med Spa. Our team is ready to assist you with any inquiries and to book your personalized consultation. You can contact us by phone at 647-532-2600 or visit our website at www.trendsassy.ca for more information about our services and to see client testimonials. Our spa is conveniently located at 1100 Burnham Thorpe Road West, Mississauga, Ontario. We look forward to welcoming you and helping you transform your skin. Trend Sassy Laser and Med Spa, where advanced skincare meets personalized care. Book your appointment today and experience the Trend Sassy difference.